Today, we're about to witness the full journey of pure automotive perfection, from raw metal and precision engineering to a finished masterpiece of speed, power, and luxury. Every detail, every sound, every step tells the story of Ferrari excellence. From the factory floor to the showroom, and finally to the road where legends are born. This is not just a car. This is Ferrari. Let's begin, my friends. Raw materials are being delivered into the production line. The metal moves through the factory to begin the manufacturing process. The metal is precisely cut using a laser. The metal is shaped with high precision. The chassis is welded with precision using robotic arms. Engine components are carefully prepared with high precision. The internal systems are installed inside the car. Engine parts are assembled with engineering precision. Pistons are installed inside the engine with precision. The crankshaft is installed inside the engine. Engine components are securely installed with precision. Bolts are tightened precisely inside the engine. The engine is inspected using advanced technology. The engine is ready and moved to the installation stage. The engine is installed into the car chassis. The suspension system is installed with precision. The braking system is installed with high precision. Body parts are installed with precision using robotic systems. The body quality is inspected using laser technology. The car body is polished to achieve a perfect shine. The car is painted with a high-quality professional coating. The luxury Ferrari steering wheel is being carefully installed with precision. The premium red leather seats are being carefully installed inside the Ferrari. The final red color is applied to the car. The final exterior parts are installed with precision. The windshield is installed and polished with precision. The headlights are installed with high precision. The car exterior is polished to achieve the perfect shine. The car is finally inspected using digital scanning devices to ensure quality and precision. The car leaves the production line after completing manufacturing and final inspection. The car is securely fastened inside the transport vehicle to ensure safe delivery without any damage. The transport truck carries the car to its destination. The Ferrari has arrived at the Ferrari showroom for final display and delivery.